Hey guys, it's me, Tammy T, and welcome back to my channel.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
So today guys, it's going to be my first moving vlog. I'm going to be packing. This is going to be my first moving vlog. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can watch the next one. If you didn't already know, I'm moving to London to go to Bird College. I'm so excited. I'm moving like 2 days. Not even that, guys. I literally move in like a day. And as you can see, there's a lot of mess behind me. I don't know if you can see all of it, but this right here, I'll show you guys in a minute. But it is crazy. I need to get it sorted out. I don't really have to do that much. I just need to fold up some clothes, put it in a box, and I'm kind of done, you know. But yeah, kind of need to get started. So I'm gonna be honest, most of this video is probably just gonna be like time lapses of me sorting out boxes. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do enjoy, please let me know by giving a big thumbs up so that I know if you want to see the next one. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the rest now. So guys, this is what we have to deal with. Yeah, and this is my wardrobe, which is an absolute mess. I need to sort out all the clothes and everything like that. My room's literally a mess, but literally I've got boxes. So that box is for, I don't know, this is for like what's it called, stuff like this, like fragile, and that's for decoration, and that's for dance stuff, and that so that is going to be where I put my clothes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna try and sort some stuff out. I did go to Truro today. I saw Evie and Luena the last time, and guys, look what she got me. Luena got me this cute little octopus. It's so cute. I love it so much. And yeah, it was so good seeing them today. So yeah, on to the time lapses. Okay, so there's like so much to do, but not really, to be honest. But I think I'm gonna start with my dance one, which is this one at the back, right here. So yeah.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears. Oh baby, we keep prepping long nights. Rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side. Twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mine. Billions in a cage fight. Fuck their thoughts and get high.
Okay guys, I just finished my first box. Yay. Yeah, I kind of moved on to, this is duvets and duvet covers, pillows, stuff like that. So yeah.
Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Alright. It's alright. It's how we ride. It's feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. The mind. The mind, the mind, yeah. Tired of being sober, never getting older. I got all the time, would you pour some wine for me? Smile for me, and I grind on me, yeah. We keep prepping long nights.
Oh guys, I'm so tired. I think I'm just gonna go sleep and carry this in the morning. I just did this box and it's got like what's it called, like delicate stuff in it, and I forgot to put this in it. I'm taking this, so
in a cage fight, fuck their thoughts and get high, and get high. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine, living on the edge sometimes, alright. Fame is how we ride, life is all about time.
okay guys, so I know I said I was going to bed, but I actually just did one more box, that one right there, just like kind of made everything a bit neater, but I just thought I'd show you guys some of the stuff that I have that I just wanted to show you. So first thing that I love is this blanket. It's literally like tie-dye with marble, but it reminds me of tie-dye, and it's like pink. I love it. And then I also got matching hangers, so they're like sparkly with rose gold on them. Got 3 sets. Then I also got a little present thingy. Got some, this has nothing to do, but I've got Hershey's cookies and mint, sprinkles and cream, and strawberries and cream. Guys, so good. 50p, 49p in like Lidl. Go get it. And I also got these 2 things of Pop-Tarts. So I got the hot fudge sundae and the s'mores. Can't wait to try these. I cracked my phone earlier, like right there, and I keep thinking it's a spider. Or like a spider web or something. Oh yes, and these, I got these sweets shower gel. So I got a squishies and love hearts. I love these. I love the marshmallow one, but I couldn't find it, so I just got these. So I also got loads of like deodorant, and there's some hand sanitizer. That's hand sanitizer that you can use to like refill your bottles. And purple shampoo. I got this, which I've never used it before, but apparently it's meant to be quite good. But yeah, but I also got loads of liquids, and I got my fan and my chocolate and my Pop-Tarts. Yep, and I also got the adapter thing, and I also got hairspray. And oh, where did my other hairspray go? Guys, I got a little mini can of hairspray, but I don't know where it's gone. Oh, and I'm also bringing this heart mirror as well. So, yeah. Love this rug. It's so nice. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to go and get, like, ready for bed now. It's really late and I'm super tired, and I'll just do some more tomorrow. So yeah, bye. Okay, hey guys, so it is now like 2:30, and so I went to bed, and then I woke up and I went on a little last family breakfast meal thing. So yeah, and now I'm back home, and I'm just gonna do a little bit more before I go to the shops. And yeah, so I'll just show you what it looks like right now. I went to the shop and got 3 more boxes, so that's good. But so I've got quite a lot of stuff to sort out still, but I kind of sorted out. I did this box, I like sorted out. There's all my dance stuff, kind of like folded that a little bit better earlier. I still have this box to do, so it's like overflowing, and then I have that, and I need to go through all of that, and that is just rubbish. Oopsies. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, so let's go. Okay guys, so it literally turns out that I went out all day, and I just started doing my shelves. I've done my shelves and just been through what I can take and whatnot, and oh my god guys, I have so many socks, but I managed to cut it down so much. But look, right, this is so messy, but like look how many socks I have. Crazy. And then I've done all these shelves. Here's, I've done that one. Well, that one looks really bad, but I've done it. Done that one, and that one, that one, and that one, and that one. So, oh my god, I just dropped my phone. Now I'm just going to do that bit, and that bit, and then those things done it, and then just kind of sort out the boxes a little bit more, fold everything, and then yeah. Okay guys, so I have just finished going through my whole wardrobe, and now just to figure out all of this mess. Yeah. I'm so sorry I didn't update you or anything. I think last time I was doing time lapses of doing all the boxes and everything, but now I'm done. And last night was crazy. I put my clothes on and I went to bed really late, but I forgot to put them on dry in the dryer, so they're currently drying still right now, but it's fine. I've just put all of my boxes in the car. It's jam-packed, but I also have, I need to bring that down. Just my coat, pillows, laundry basket, and you know, so I'm gonna show you my room now because it's looking quite empty. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like and what I'm gonna come home to. Got the, that looks really empty now. Clearly it's gone. I got rid of my heart picture and put a different picture on it. Bed. Oh. I was thinking about taking Kevin and Katie, but at the same time, I feel like they should stay here for now. Maybe I'll bring them another time. But yeah, look how empty my shelves look. And my desk. Oh, I forgot about these. I'm taking these. Okay, so now I'm taking them, and I was thinking about taking my light mirror actually, but at the same time if I do take it, then my room will be completely empty, so I have to leave some stuff here. But yeah, so this is my outfit. I'm just wearing my new jumpsuit thing, and I just put my hair in some plaits. So yeah, so I think I'm ready to go now. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'm gonna start moving vlog 2, well, traveling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more moving vlogs, and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.